If you think you missed the boat with creating a successful YouTube channel, you're wrong. Every single day, new creators are creating channels that get tons of subscribers and influence online. And there are even small channels out there that are making more money than you could imagine, but regardless of what they're making in Google AdSense, because they're monetizing the channel in ways that you are not able to see on the surface. And in today's video, I am going to give you 7 tips on how you can grow your new or kind of stagnant YouTube channel faster in 2023. I promise you, it's not too late, so stay tuned. Okay, we all know those creators that started their YouTube channels when YouTube was just a little baby channel, and they blew up really fast because it was novel and it was new. And you might think that there's just too much competition out there right now to start your own channel. But in this video, I'm going to share with you some very strategic things that you can do with your brand new or your channel that's not growing in order to start really growing quickly on YouTube, as well as to attract the people who are looking for exactly your content and are likely to become your buyers, your customers, your subscribers, and whatever you're looking for with your YouTube channel. So the first thing that you want to do, especially if you're thinking about a brand new YouTube channel, is you don't want to launch the channel with just one video, because people are going to come to the channel and they're going to watch the video and then they're going to have to go, what's next? And YouTube actually rewards you for the more time that people spend on your channel. So this is one of the reasons why, if people are watching a playlist of video after video after video, YouTube is actually going to show your videos to more people. The algorithm is going to favor you because they see that people like your content and they want to see more of that content. Now, if you launch your channel with just one video, then there's nothing else for them to watch after that. So my advice to you would be launch your channel with 5 videos. Go ahead and record all 5 of those videos, get those videos edited, and the first day that you launch your channel, launch it with all 5 of those videos. And if you do already have an email list or a social media presence, I would suggest that you make sure that you tell your audience that your channel is up and running, and to encourage them to go over there and watch those videos. Because if you launch that channel and you have a bunch of people come and watch your videos right away on day one, maybe all 5 of them, YouTube is going to put you into the algorithm in front of more new people than you could ever imagine. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Oh my gosh, 5 videos. That's a lot of videos for me to record all at once. And something that's really important on YouTube is consistency over time. So when I first got started on YouTube, people were saying you need to publish a video every single day. And I knew that I was not going to be able to publish a quality video for the channel, relevant information that would actually be of value to my audience members and those that were looking for the types of content that I produce, if I tried to do it every single day. So instead of doing daily content, choose a schedule where you can be consistent. And so you upload those first 5 videos, but maybe you can only record 1 video per week. If it's really great content and it is targeted to the people that you're looking to serve, those people are going to find that content even if it's not every single day on YouTube. And if it's high quality and it gives them a solution to a problem that they have, they're going to keep coming back to your channel. So being consistent over time is far better than uploading a video a day for 30 days and then dropping off of the YouTube planet for the next 6 months. So how do you stay consistent with all the other things going on in your life? I know, I get it. You have full-time jobs, you have families, you have children. I homeschool my kids. They're always here. So one of the things that I do is I batch record content so that I'm not having to do it every single day. For instance, today, I've recorded 7 videos already. I'm batching all of my content today because I showered, I put on makeup, I did my hair, and a lot of the other time, let's be real, I kind of look like a hot mess mama. So I batch record the content so that I can appear very consistent even when I am not able to record day in and day out. So you know that you need consistency on your channel. You now know that batch recording can really help you do that. But what should you be producing videos about on your channel? My third suggestion to you is going to be something that will help you to not only grow your channel faster, but also to become more profitable, even if you have a small channel. And that is being very niche specific with your content. If you're everywhere on your YouTube channel, one day you're talking about cooking, the next day you're talking about essential oils, the next day you're talking about parenting tips, then the YouTube algorithm doesn't really know who to serve your content to, because their algorithm is gaining all this information about all the YouTube viewers, and people spend hours and hours and hours every single month searching YouTube. So the algorithm has a ton of information. It knows what people are looking for. And if you have very niche specific and consistent content, it's going to know exactly who to put your videos in front of in the browse feature. And what the browse feature is when you go to your homepage on YouTube, before you search for anything, it shows you a bunch of videos, and you don't really know why you're being served those videos. Yes, some of them are channels that you subscribe to, but some of them are just things that the algorithm thinks you would like to see. So if you're getting really niche specific, your channel will get put in front of the right types of people. Similarly, your people will be searching for the type of content that your channel has, and they'll find you online. You won't have to go out there and find them because your content is going to draw them in. So maybe you have a channel all about homeschooling. Maybe you have a channel about finance or crypto or art, whatever it is. Pick that category and be very niche specific. The majority of this channel is all around online marketing tips, strategies, and tools. Now, yes, I do break some of the rules on my channel. I've posted some videos on homeschooling and other money-saving things that I like, but that was after years of building a very consistent base of videos all around online marketing. And even to this day, my videos that are about online marketing, email marketing, Facebook marketing, Instagram tips, and Facebook stories strategies, those are all my best performing videos because that is what YouTube has decided is my niche, and they're putting those videos in front of the people that are most likely to watch them. So once you pick the niche for your channel, number 4 is that you want to optimize for the things that people are searching for. Yes, you're going to end up being put in the browse with the YouTube algorithm eventually, but if you want to grow fast in the beginning, you should optimize for search. You should optimize for the people that are looking for the content that you're producing. So go through and look at what's trending on Google related to what it is that you want your channel to be about. Also, one of my favorite tools is TubeBuddy. I'll go ahead and put my link below. Disclaimer, it is an affiliate link and you don't pay anymore, but I do get some income if you decide to sign up for it. And that's how we run this channel. So TubeBuddy allows you to do a lot more in-depth research directly on YouTube and Google to see what people are searching for. You can put in keywords related to your topic or your niche, and TubeBuddy is going to tell you how competitive that is, so you know whether or not you're ever going to rank in the early stages of your channel, and also how many people are looking for that. So if it's not very competitive but nobody's looking for it, and if it's very competitive but lots of people are looking for it, just know it's going to be hard to get found. So this allows you to create early on the content that has a lot of people looking for it, but not a lot of competition, so that you will grow much, much faster on YouTube. All right, so I've talked all about the type of content that you're doing for your channel, and you're probably assuming that is all in the form of videos like these, which I consider more long form content. I'm giving you multiple minutes of content about how to grow your YouTube channel. But there is something very important that you do not want to miss this window in 2023, and that is YouTube Short. YouTube very much wants to compete with TikTok, and so they're putting a ton into their Shorts platform. They're even going to start monetizing YouTube creators for creating Shorts in 2023. And I don't think that anybody fully really knows how the Shorts algorithm works yet. I mean, at least I don't. But here's what I do see. The more shorts that I produce on my channel, the faster my subscriber count and my views grow. grow. Not only that, but the algorithm for shorts is putting it in front of a lot more people than the longer form videos. So I can publish a 45, 60-second video and have thousands of views on it within a couple hours. That's not typical on my current channel based on the size that it is today. So you have a huge potential with YouTube Shorts to get in front of many, many more people right now, because not everyone is embracing it. So for 2023, you want to hop on this bandwagon quick. You have a window of opportunity here to really build up your credibility and authority with Shorts and get more viewers to your overall channel and your longer form content. And like with your other content on your channel, you want to be optimizing for Google Trends, Google SEO search, which means search engine optimization, the words and the things that your ideal clients and customers and people that you want to serve are looking for. Because then if they find it in their short, they'll come over and watch the rest of the content on your channel. Your watch time will go up. You'll get the subscriber count that allows you to get monetized, and you'll be able to sell and offer other things to the people on your channel just beyond the AdSense. Hey, before we go on to the next tip, I just wanted to tell you about my live YouTube workshop that is happening January 21st and 22nd. It is the Start Your YouTube Channel from Scratch in 2023, your path to monetization on YouTube. Now, I know I don't have the biggest channel out there, so I'm not making the most in AdSense revenue, even though the channel is monetized. However, I am doing a lot of things behind the scenes that you can't see that is bringing me clients, customers, and revenue day in and day out without me having to do any extra work. And I want to teach you exactly how I got there. Building a successful channel is about so much more than just having the most subscribers, the most views, and relying on AdSense revenue. You can monetize a very small channel, and you can have a very big channel that's not monetized at all. So I am going to teach you how you can start a very successful channel, and I will show you how you can grow your brand new channel in 2023. My channel is growing faster than ever before, so it's not too late, and I want to let you know now is the perfect time to start or to really focus on growing your channel. I don't want you to worry about what the other gurus are saying, like you have to post 100 shorts a week, or you have to put a video on YouTube every single day, or you have to have documentary-worthy film production and editing skills. I am going to show you exactly how you can start right where you're at, how you can start with very minimal equipment, basically no cost, and start growing a successful channel that will make you profitable before the end of the year. So go ahead, click the link below, join me in the workshop, and now back to the video for our next tip. So my sixth tip is that even though it is really good for our ego when a short or a TikTok or a reel goes viral, if it's not relevant content to what you actually want to do with your channel and what you actually want to sell or who you want to coach or who you want to serve, then it really doesn't matter. So for instance, at one point I did a video on my channel about Bitcoin and crypto. And because crypto was on a tear at the time and everything was just going up and up and up, I had thousands of people watching the video, commenting on the video within hours of me posting it. But my channel isn't a crypto channel. It's not even a finance channel. And so despite that video really getting that viral views early on, it wasn't going to bring me the subscribers that I wanted long term that were actually going to benefit from my content and want to buy the things that I had to offer. So my sixth tip for you is make sure that your short form videos are consistent with the long form content on your channel. Because if you have a short and you get a lot of subscribers, well, then they come over and they don't see any of that other content on your channel. They're either A, going to unsubscribe, or B, they're not going to watch your videos. And you might even get punished by the YouTube algorithm if you have a huge subscriber count and very, very few views on your actual long form videos. So something that I'm doing right now, and I suggest others do, is to match the short form videos to the long form content and break apart your long form videos into little tips and tidbits that you can help your audience with in 60 seconds, and then they're going to want to go back and watch the longer video. And the last and final tip for you is going to seem really simple, but don't overlook this. You want to start now. And the reason you want to start now is that you want your videos getting into the algorithm for 2023. If you wait until June to start your shorts, your channel, then you're going to be playing catch up with all the people that got on the YouTube bandwagon, starting their channel or starting shorts for the first time. And those people are already going to have more subscribers, more viewers, more authority in the eyes of the algorithm. And their videos are what is going to get put in front of the audience. So start now. You do not have to be perfect. And like I said earlier, if you need some tips and help on that, make sure you go ahead, click the link below, get in my live starting your YouTube channel from scratch workshop. I'll see you in there, and I'll see you in the next video.